In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bank account in Etsy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your payouts are directed to the right bank without any surprises. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Etsy. In the results, click the official Etsy.com link. This helps you avoid any lookalike sites and keeps your account secure. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you're prompted for two-step verification, go ahead and complete that. It's a standard security step to protect your shop and your funds. After you're logged in, head to the top right corner and open your account menu. Choose Account, then Account Settings. From there, navigate to your shop manager. This is the hub for all your shop operations, including finances and payouts. If you have multiple shops, just be sure you're in the correct one before you proceed. Inside Shop Manager, look to the left-hand menu and click Finances. This is where Etsy organizes everything related to your money. Next, select Payment Settings. Here you'll see your current bank details on file. Find that section and click Update or Edit next to your existing bank information. Etsy may ask you to re-enter your password or confirm your identity at this point, which is normal. Now enter the details for your new bank account. Double-check the account holder's name matches what Etsy has on file for your shop, and make sure you're using the correct numbers for your region, like a routing number and account number, or an IBAN and BC where applicable. Accuracy matters here. Even a single digit off can delay payouts. If your bank supports it, keep your online banking open so you can cross-check everything quickly. When you're confident the information is correct, click Save and Verify Account to submit the new details. Etsy may temporarily pause payouts while they verify your new bank, which is expected and helps prevent errors or fraud. After you submit, keep an eye on the new bank account. Etsy will send a small test deposit to your new account, which you will need to verify in a few days via your shop manager to complete the process. Check your bank statement for that deposit, then return to Payment Settings to confirm the exact amount when prompted. Once verified, your future payouts will be routed to the new account automatically. That's it. You've successfully updated your bank information in Etsy and set yourself up for smooth, secure payouts going forward.